Have you ever stopped to think about what actually happens when you type a website URL into your browser and hit enter? Well, today we are breaking it down step by step in a way that makes total sense even if you're getting started. Before we get started, make sure to like this video and hit that subscribe button. Think of it like ordering pizza. You place the order, the restaurant gets your request, they make the pizza, send it out with a delivery driver, and boom, you get to enjoy it. Loading a website works kind of the same way. What you type in a website address like say www.example.com, browser first needs to figure out where that website actually lives. It's like asking where's the pizza shop. Your computer doesn't really understand words like google.com or say netflix.com. It needs a numerical address called, yeah, you guessed it right, IP address. So it asks a special service called DNS, which works like a phone book translating example.com into something like 192.168.1.1, an address computers can understand. Now that your computer knows where to go, it sends a request over the internet. Think of this like pizza order traveling through different roads and intersections until it reaches the restaurant. The internet works the same way, using routers and servers to direct the request until it reaches the correct website server. If one route is blocked, the internet finds another way, just like a delivery guy taking different streets if there's traffic. When your request reaches the website server, the server acts like the pizza shop. It gathers all the ingredients like images, text, videos, and all and puts them together and gets your page ready to go. Once the page is ready, the server sends it back just like how the pizza shop boxes up your order and hands it off for delivery. Now the web page needs to travel back to you. But instead of one big delivery, it's broken down into small packets, kind of like sending individual pizza slices instead of the whole pie. These packets take different routes but eventually arrive at your browser where they are put back together. Your browser takes all these pieces, say HTML for structure, CSS for design, JavaScript for interactivity, and builds the web page you see on your screen. Before you can eat, you gotta set the table. The browser does the same thing. It organizes everything, makes it look nice, ensures it's interactive. This is called rendering. We quite often use this term in React. If a page is slow, it's like waiting for food at a restaurant. A slow internet connection, a busy server, or say too many big images or videos can cause delays. That's why website owners optimize their sites to load faster. Obviously, there are many techniques to do and achieve so. And there you have it. Next time you load a website, you will know exactly what's happening behind the scenes. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more cool tech breakdowns. See you next time. Until then, take care and thanks for listening. Bye bye.